Usambot Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tensong Bakhmiru yang katrat PWD Road ulang makatnat kadang pynkhreh yang detail project report DPR na kabenta basna pynheh yang surok dan Mawphlang Mawsynram. Ba pentip yang kani kenta kali hakasingi ka basau ka darbar sanrai jong ka yeng darbar yang kabala kali da MLA ka Mawphlang ba Eugene San Lingdo na kaliang uba Preston ulang batang sudap ka DPR on samang tingkano ban pynheh yang kani ka surok. Usambut Menteri Rangba ulah kular ban Kyrwoh yang kajing dawa MLA ka Mawsynram uba HM Syang Pliang bala dawa ban pynheh yang surok na wailoi syadu dangar ne balat.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 54. Sir, Mawphlang to Umlangma road is fairly good, and from Umlangma to Mawsynram, it is in a bad condition. However, the government has always taken steps to improve the roads.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the Mawphlang-Mawsynram road is in fairly good form because of continuous restoration and repair. So during the budget session, an allocation of 800 crores was earmarked for 7 various roads. The Mawphlang-Mawsynram road was one of them. So I'd like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister on the nature of the allocation of the Mawphlang road on the budget.
Mawphlang to Mawsynram road, which starts from the diversion point of the Shillong Nongstoin-Tura road and the particular place known as Lat Mawphlang up to Wailoi. In fact, sir, recently we have taken a decision that we will widen this particular route, which is so important to be it to southwest, be it East Castles, be it headquarter of southwest. So therefore, sir, we have taken a decision that we will widen it, we will convert it into intermediate lane. From the 0 point is from Lat Mawphlang up to Wailoi, and hopefully the sanction will be accorded very soon, sir. And right now the DPR is being prepared by PWD department, and once the sanction is accorded, then tender will be called, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the Deputy Chief Minister for considering the expansion or the widening of the road from the Lat Mawphlang point up to the Mawsynram. I understand, sir, right now the DPR is under preparation and the tender will be called soon. May I know up to what stretch is the distance for the proposal to be widened, sir?
Sir, the starting point, as I said, it starts from Lat Mawphlang, from that diversion, up to 25 to 26 kilometers. I think it touches maybe with Wailoi, maybe up to Wailoi, or maybe a little beyond Wailoi. I don't have exactly up to what point it will be ended, but the DPR is being worked out, prepared by the PWD, and once the DPR is completed, then hopefully sanction will be accorded, sir.
Sir, I'd like to thank for that consideration of that stretch of road. But sir, time and again, I have always brought this to the notice of the government, be it on the floor of the House or by the form of DO letter to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that the road from what we call is the Mawphlang-Balat road has been one of the oldest road right from the Assam government times. And the road beyond Wailoi actually requires the attention of the government for repair or renovation or widening up to Balat, sir. So I request the government to kindly consider this stretch of road also, right from Wailoi up to Dangar or up to Balat, sir, because this is the lifeline of the people of the border and also of the whole area that goes up to the border, sir. So may I get some kind of hope or an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister that this road also will be taken up?
Yes, sir. Point noted.
Thank you, sir.